Leetcode में challenge. Today we have question number 17, letter combination of a phone number. So given a string containing digit from 2 to 9 inclusive, we have to return all possible letter combination that the number could represent and return the answer in any order. A mapping of a digit to letter, just like on the telephone buttons, is given below. Note that one does not map to any letter. So let's take an example 1. Here the digit is 2 and 3, and 2 can have mapping with ABC, and 3 have mapping with DEF. And using this ABC and DEF, we have to return all the possible letter combinations. Okay, so let's understand this from this example, where we have the digits 2, 3 and 4, and we have to find all the letter combinations. So how can we do is like we know that 2, from 2 we can have mapping with A, B, and we can have with C. And then at 3 we can map this A either with D or with E or with F. Over here again it has this three way to go. One is this D, and then E, and this is F. And over C again we have this 3 way to go. This is D, this is E, this is F. If A and D is combined, we will get the output as AD. If A and E is combined, then we will get output as AE. If A and F is combined, we will get output as A and F. Is B and D is combined, then we will get output as BD. If B and E is combined, then we will get output as B and E. If B and F is combined, we will get output as B and F. If C and D is combined, we will get output as C and D. If C and E is combined, we will get output as C and E. If C and F is combined, we will get output as C and F. And now we again have the letter 4. So all this AD can combine either with G or with H, or they can combine with I. So on this level 4, all have this option. Either they can go with G, let me write it over here, G, H, or they can go form a letter with I. Here also they have 3 choices to either go with G or with H or with I. Over here also they have 3 choices, either to go with G or to go with H or to go with I. Over here also, actually this is 4, yeah, so we have 3 choices, G, H, and here I. Again we have G, H, I. Again we have G, H, and I. Here also we have 3 things, that is G, H, and this is I. And over here also we have 3 things, G, H, and I. I mean this whole can form, either can go with G or can go with H and go with I. Let me write final answer with red pen, that will make a clear difference can be seen then. Yeah, so when AD is combined with G, it will give us the pair ADG. When AD is combined with H, it will give us the pair A, D, and H. When AD is combined with I, it will give us the pair A, D, and I. When AE is combined with G, it will give us the pair A, E, and G. When A is combined with H, it will give us the pair A, E, and H. When AE is combined with I, it will give us the pair A, E, and I. When AF will combine with G, it will give us the pair A, F, and G, and when we have H, it will give us A, F and H. When AF is combined with I, it will give us A, F and I. When BD is combined with G, it will give us B, D and G. When BD is combined with H, it will give us B, D and H. When BD is combined with I, it will give us B, D and I. When BE is combined with G, it will give us B, E, G. When BE is combined with I, it will give us B, E and I. Again, when BF is combined with G, it will give us B, F, G. When BF is combined with H, it will give us B, F. This is F. If it's don't look like also, but it is F, so just consider it as F. And when BF is considered with I, like BF, and this is our I. Again, when CD is going with G, it will become C, D, G. When CD is going with H, it will become C, D, H. When CD is going with I, it will become C, D, I. When CE is going with G, it will become C, E, G. When CE is going with H, it will become C, E and H. When CE is going with I, it will become C, E, I. When CF is going with G, it will become C, F, G. Just give me a second, let me write G. Yeah. When CF is combined with H, it will become CFH. When CF is combined with I, it will become CFI. So the output that we have to return is, and this is this ADG, ADH, ADI, AEG, AEH, AEI, AFG, AFH, AFI, BDG, BDH, BDI, BEG, BEI, BEH. Here would be one more, that is B, E and H, and here it is BFG, BFH, BFI, CDG, CDH, CDI, CEG, CEH, CEI, CFG, CFH, CFI. So this is what the output we have to return. So now let's move on to the code. Like we can use DQ option over here. So yeah, so first thing is, as mapping is not given, they have just given us the integer. So first we'll create a hash map of type string comma string, and then we have to put, like we have to match 2 with ABC, and then we can just copy paste it. Oops, did I paste wrong thing? No issues, let's paste it again. This is for so this is for 3, and 3 is mapped with DEF, and then we have 4 that is mapped with GHI, then we have 5 that is matched with JKL, then we have 6 that is matched with MNO, then we have 7 that has the mapping with P, Q, R and S, then we have 8 that is mapping with TUV, this is 8, and then we have number 9 that is mapping with WXYZ. Yeah, So now the thing is, we will create a list of string result, because this is what we are going to return, and then we will check if digits dot length is equals to 0. We will simply return an empty list. Else we will use dq means we can add or we can remove an element from the first also and from the last also. Okay, so we are using here dq of type string, and list name is deck is equals to new array deck. And what we will do is, first we will add this and we will create a for loop that will iterate through the digits dot length. Okay, here I should put this because it's not array. Yeah, and one by one we have to take out the digits, right? So first here what we have done, we know that the and this string they have given this as the string. So first we will take out 2, and we will, like, here we have taken out 2 and then have given it's all the combinations, and then we have taken out 3, added the element of 2, and then have created all the combinations for it, as we can see. And then like this is the 2 and 3 combination we got, and after that we took out 4 and make all the combinations, and that what we got as the final result. So same over here, what we will do is we'll loop through this. We will take out the string digits dot substring I comma I plus 1. This is what going to give us like first 2 and then 3 and then 4, and then we are going to from the map we are going to take out this is mapped with what. So, or we can give this what they are mapped with. Let's give it value map dot get, like 2 is mapped with ABC, so it's going to give us ABC, and then this is our dq size. Our dq is not empty, it has the length 1 because we have added this empty element. Okay, so what will happen, we'll create a loop for integer j equals to 0, j is less than the length of the deck, and j plus plus, we will pull deck dot, like first we will take out this empty element, and then again we will have this for loop, k is less than value dot length, we got value dot length, and then k plus plus, and after that we will create a temporary string that will pull, like poll first has this empty string, it will pull and it will concatenate it with what, it concatenate it with value dot character at k, and this is like for this is character and this whole thing is a string, so that's why I'm like adding this, so to make it whole string, correct. Yeah, what was happening is from here we are getting ABC, that is what is mapped in front of 2, and from here we are getting the DAC size, that is 1, because we have added this element empty string, correct. Then we are looping and we are taking out the first element from the DAC, that is the empty string, and then we are concatenating it with A, B and C. So initially we will have this, when this DAC, in the DAC we will have this ABC element, and then we will take out A, and then we will concatenate it with the other, like the letters which are mapped with 3, that is D, E, F, and then again we will like A and D, and then again like A and D, of course they are concatenated, and then again we will take it out from the string, and then we will see 4, and 4 have the value GHI, then we will again concatenate them with it, and then we will get this output. So that's why this loop is working over there. And then we will simply like add this in our DAC, the final one, and to print it, what we will do, while our DAC is not empty, we will just remove from the DAC and add it in a list. Okay, and then we are simply going to return the I think this is result, correct? Yeah, then we are going to like add it in a result list, and we are going to return the result, and this, let's run this code. It's all working, let's submit it. If we talk about the time complexity, then it has the time complexity of 3 to the power n, because like everything is mapped with 3. So if they are giving us the empty string, then the output is 1. If they are giving one character, say one letter, that is 2, then our output will be 3. If they are giving us like this is character, okay, so if they are giving us 3 character, like if they are giving us 2 character like A and V, then our output will be 9. So basically, let me write it more clearly. If they have like one character, if they have one letter, then we can make only 3 combination, that is A, B and C. But if we have 2 letters, that is like for suppose 2 and 3, we can make 6 combinations. We can make 9 combinations. So this is how, this is like, this can also be represented as 3 to the power 0. This can be represented as 3 to the power 1. This can be represented as 3 to the power 2. So that's why its complexity is 3 to the n. Basically 3, it can be any values, as like 3 is why I'm doing, because see 2 is mapped with ABC, so ABCs are 3 letter. So if it can have 4 or 5, so it could depend on the letter. So that's why the complexity is this. And yeah, we are done. Thank you.